All right, Libra, look, so you could be in a situation and you still in the space of like making up your mind, or you've made up, we ain't even gonna say making up, you've made up your mind regarding way you want to assert yourself or a direction you want to take yourself when it comes to an idea, or you expressing or conveying yourself in your world a certain type of way. It's an inner knowing, and you might be in a reality or a present time, or I don't know if it's a workplace relationship or something that you've been giving to that the return has not been so great on. You feel me? You've been sacrificing time and energy here. You've put yourself in a cycle regarding this. You've made this a responsibility of yours, but yet and still the return on it ain't nothing to talk about for real. You feel me? Like when it comes to the get back, or just the, even you don't even want to talk about, like, let's say you with your friends or whatever, you link up with folks and it's people be like, how's this going on, Libra? And it's like you don't even want to talk about it to people type shit. Where you at with this? You kind of done up with it. It's nothing you want to show about type of vibe. And you may be in a position where you're expressing that now. You're expressing the fact that you're ready to grow out of this, or that you have grown out of this. You expressing the fact that you're in a new idea or headspace when it comes to whatever topic or category or sector in your life we talking about. I'm telling you, some was fucking up your head when it comes to how rich you saw yourself, or just how rich you just experienced your life. Because it was like something was always on your ankle. Almost like you was on house arrest type of vibe. And as soon as you walked out in whatever category, whether that as soon as you put yourself in this environment, or as soon as you put yourself in a place to express yourself a certain type of way, if it's an internal thing, your ankle monitor was beeping, your mind was bugging you. You sure you want to say that? How you feel about that? You sure this is what you feel me? It's like always that second voice, and it's not the good second voice. It's the motherfucker that just be talking type of vibe. You feel me? And you tired of that. That's what you're tired of. If it ain't a situation where it's a motherfucker outside of you who always be talking, and you about done up with this. You anything they done talked about to you, nothing they brought you has worked. Ever since they told you, hey, I got an idea that'll work, ain't shit been happening. And you might be the one who funding the ideas. You might be the one forking up a couple dollars, throwing out you feel me, when it comes to, hey, Libra, look, I got this little investment plan and I need you to be in on it, Libra. Look, if we do this together, Libra, we gonna be on top. You just gotta, you feel me? And here you go every time, crash and burn, crash and burn. Cause you tired of burning, and you can't burn no more. You ain't got no more flesh to burn. You probably got this last little bit of you left. You done sacrificed your whole being to this idea, to this concept. Barely got you left, Libra. What you gonna do about that? You know what we talking about, though.